Students, good morning, namaste. This is part 2. That means 2A and 2B. Every time we are uploading two videos, 25 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, na? Like that. So already I uploaded two videos, that is 1A, 1B. That is about the chapter permutation combinations. It is part 2, 2A, 2B, and 3A, 3B, like that for this week only. Okay, na? In that bunch of papers, questions, I solved the 22 problem. Before that one, some problems are there related to that one. We will solve the 15, 16, 17, like that we will solve it. Okay, Nana? Okay. 15th problem. If the letters of the word RACHIT, okay, are arranged in all possible ways as listed in the dictionary, then what is the rank of that word? Okay, given word RACHIT. See, already we solved in the problem 22nd problem, that is mother 306 is the rank of our mother. Yeah, and now the rank of this one. It is the 15th problem. It is RACHIT. Okay, na? You see, we can write it as in alphabetic order: A, C, H, I, okay, na? R, T. Okay, na? These are the 6 letters. These are the 6 letters. We have to arrange the 6 letters word. In the dictionary, the 6 letter words started first A. You see it. Number of words started. Okay, na? Not needed, but I want to give a clear picture. Started with A means there are 6. A is a fixed. Only there are 5 boxes and remaining 5 letters. That is 5p5. That is equal to 5 factorial means 120. Okay, na? Clearly you observe. Mother problem is solved. Again, this one. Similarly, in the dictionary, after A is over. Next is C. C also the same way. If it is C is fixed, okay, na? Here also it is 120. Again, similarly, after A, C, we will get H. Also the same way. Okay, na? It is H is filled in the first. The number of words that is started with H. Also 120 words. You see, observe it, you try to understand. In the dictionary, the number of words that is started first A, next C, next, of course B is there, but here in that word B is not there, D is not there, E is not there, G is not there, F is not there, H only is there. So we will take H only. Again, started with I. A is over, C is over, H, I. I is also 120 words. Next, R. R. A, C, H, I is over. Now starting with R, okay, na? Starting with R means our required word that this given word is also started with capital R only. So if you write 120, it is meaningless. That is 125, that is 600, is not correct one. Okay, na? Above this 480 above, 600 below. 480 above, 600 below, that required word is there. So here you don't take the number of words that is started with R. Here we write RA. R is okay na? First alphabetic and RA. RA is also the same. Started with the RA, our required letter. Okay. We will take C also. Yes, RAC also is there in our required order. Okay. Next, we will go to H also. Yes, it is also correct. Okay, H is there. So next, I is also is there. Next, T only remains. Okay, so it is which one? Only the very next word is this required letter. Please try to understand it. In order to get this given word, okay, na? First we are taking the number of words started with A, 120 words. Again C with H, with I, okay, na? Up to that one, how many are there? It is I. 480. It is 480, 81. 481 is the rank of this word. Like that, we have to solve this type of problem. Okay, na? Right. Very nice. Next, 16th problem. Find the number of different words that can be formed from the letters of the word triangle, Triangle, so that no vowels are together. It's a fantastic problem. Please observe it. You see, 16th problem. Given word is triangle. Triangle, Triangle. Triangle. How many letters are there? 3, 6, 8 letters are there. Out of 8 letters, vowels are vowels. A, I, E. 3 vowels are there. By taking the 8 different letters to form means 8p8. We know it well. 8 letters, 8 boxes. By using all the letters of the word triangle, that is 8 letters we are taking, no repetition. Any letter is not repeated. Only one time T, one time A, one time I, one time R, like that one. At the time, the 8 letters, if you take and arrange in the 8 boxes, means 8p8. 8 things, 8 boxes are there. 8p8, 8 factorial ways. But the condition is there. What is the condition? The vowels should not together. You see that? It should not be together. In some letters, you see, IA is vowel combined. Suppose TRIAE may be there, LGL only. That word is there. That such type of words which is contained in the vowels are together. It should not be there. We have to count the number of words in which the vowels are not together. They are apart from each other. That means, you observe me. First, 8 boxes. We write it. You see that? 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, na? 8 boxes. That means we arrange first, or otherwise we will take like this. First we will arrange the consonants at giving some gap. The consonants are T, R, N, G, L. Okay, na? I arrange the 5 consonants in 5p5 ways. Okay, na? By giving some gap. Please try to understand it. I am giving a gap in order to insert the vowels, so that the vowels will not come together. Is it not it? Because T, suppose A is there, I is there, E is there. Just I am writing A, here E, here I is there. In between A and E and I, the consonants are, so that they will not come together. That is my idea. So, in the gap between the letters, consonants, how many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gaps are there. 6 things are there, but only 3 vowels are there. In order to arrange them, 6p3. Will you agree? Okay, will you agree? You see there? First, we arrange the consonants, 5 consonants in 5p5, that is 5 factorial ways, by giving some gap. Gap means only one letter. That 6 gaps are there, 6 places are there, 6 boxes are there. But here only 3 vowels are there. So 6p3 ways. Okay, na? That is the answer. Here you try to understand the concept is important. We will calculate this number. 5p5 means 5 factorials. This is 6p3 means 6 factorials by 6 minus 3 factorials. Okay, now it is 120. 5 factorials means 120 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorials by 3 factorials. 6 minus 3, 3 factorials. 3 factorials cancels. It is 120 into, here also 20 into 6, it is also 120. 120 means I will write here 12 calls 144 00. So this is the answer. 144 00 is the answer for this question. Okay, like that you have to solve the problem. Okay, just pause. Okay, 17th problem. The number of different 4-digit numbers that can be formed with the given digits, 2, 4, 2, 3 also is there, 4, 7 only. We are asked only once, using each digit only one time. We are given 4 digits. 4 digits are there. We have to find the 4-digit number of words. It is also 4 boxes are there, 4. It is 4p4. 4 factorials means 24 answer. Very simple. No digit is repeated. That is given. Okay, each digit can be used only once. If repetitions is allowed means it is correct answer. If repetition is allowed, repetition is allowed means, you see that the first box is 4 times. The first box can be filled with any 4 ways. The second also in 4 ways. Third also in 4 ways. So 4 power 4. Like that we will get the, it is 16 into 16, 256. Like that it will come. Okay, na? Repetitions, not repetition. Okay, but it is not the answer. This is the correct one. 18. The sum of the digits in the units place of all numbers formed with the help of 3, 4, 5 and 6 taken all at a time. You see, the very fantastic concept. I think this concept is not in our syllabus. Maybe, it may be. Okay, na? Please observe me. It's a very good problem. We are given the digits. We are given the digit 18th. Observe me. It is 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are given 4 digits are there. 3, 4, 5 and 6. By using all the digits, we have to use all the digits. How many number of numbers are there? First, one digit number. Observe it. One digit number. It may be 3 or maybe 4 or 5, 6, like that. Right. Two digit numbers. Two digit numbers means it may be 34 or 43, 56, 64, 45, 54, 63, 36, like this. Okay, na? Right. In this, this is only one term, units place only. Here also units place. That means again three digit numbers. Three digit numbers means maybe I will write here. Three digit numbers. Three digit numbers means it may be 345, 453, 653, 356, like this. We get here also the numbers, the digits in the units place. The last four digit number, four digit numbers, numerals. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 6, 4, 3, 4, 5, like that. Here also, by calculating all this, we get this. All the, if you sum up, these are one digit number, two digit number, three digit number, four digit, only four digits are there. That number of numerals are there. If you write all the list and you sum up only the digits in the units place, it is a very difficult one. It is not possible. But a formula is there. A fantastic formula is there. Please observe me. You see, for this one, a formula is there. What is the formula? Observe me. Suppose this is A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D are the digits. Four digit number, four digits are there. Okay, now the sum of all numerals, the sum of all digits in unit place of all numerals, okay, Nana, is the formula is n minus 1 C P, n minus 1 permutations, A plus B plus C plus D into 1. Units place means here 1. Okay, now you make the sum of all the digits, given digits. How many digits are there? N digits are there. N minus 1 P, N minus 1. Here the formula is, it is 3C3 na? 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. It is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 into 1. What is the necessary to put 1 means? It is a units place. Suppose the sum of the two digits in the 1 and unit and the tens place means it is 11 only. Please observe 11 only. Sum of the numbers in the units, tens and hundred place means it is 111. Sum of all the digits, 4 digits means 1111. That is the procedure. Okay, na? But here it is a 3C3 means 1 into, it is a 18 into 1. So answer is 18. It is 18 only. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 18 only. Okay, na? But the question is, if you see suddenly it is a large one, it is a difficult one, we may feel like that, but it is the procedure. If you are asked to find the sum of all numbers, of all numerals, I will tell that one also. You please observe me. It is also a very good question. I will use the star notation. Observe me. Sum of all numerals okay, na, is equal to n minus 1 C, n minus 1 C, not CP, permutations, of A plus B plus C plus D into 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 digits are there, 1, 1, 1, 1. If 5 digits are there, suppose 1, 3, 1 is also is there, suppose 5 digits will come. Then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 11,111, like that. How many digits are there? That much of ones you have to frame. Similarly, it is 4 minus 1 C, P, 4 minus 1, okay, na? Okay, it is A plus B plus C plus D. Here, just wait. It is 4 minus 1 P, 4 minus 1. It is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 into, it is 1 into 1 into 1, like that. It is okay, na? It is 1, okay, already is there, 18 into, like this. That is, we have to multiply with 8, 8, with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 8, 9, 9, 9, 1. So it's like this one. That is the sum of 19,998. The sum of all the numerals formed by the 4 different digits. That is containing 1 digit number, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers. All together, so list out and you add it. That is the method. If units place means only 1. If 10 and units place means 1, 1. If 1 units place, tens place, hundreds place means 1, 1, 1. Now it is containing all digits means 4 digits means 1000 place also be taken as. Okay, Nana? That is the thing. Okay, na? You please, you try to catch this problem. Okay, na? Yeah. Here is, please, it is not permutations, it is combinations only. Nana. Please observe me. I wrote wrongly. 3C3 is only 1. Okay, na? Here also. Okay, na? That is the correct one. Now it is correct one. Next one. 90th one. The number of 5-digit telephone numbers having at least one of their digits repeated. The number of 5-digit telephone numbers, 5 digits only, telephone numbers means 0 may be in the front, we're starting with 0. Is also is there in the for telephone number. Having at least 1 digit is repeated. Maybe 2 digits, maybe 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits also repeated, at least. But without repetition not be there. Or if all the numbers, all the digits using in that 5-digit number are in a different, distinct, okay, na? Not repetition is there, that is not asked. At least 1 digit must be repeated. I will tell clearly. This is a 5-digit number. Try to understand it. How many digits are there? Digits are there 0, 1, 2, 3, dash, 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 8, 9. 10 digits are there. Okay, no? But for a telephone, we need 5 digits only. In this 5 digits, you see that we are asked like this. Suppose if we are asked the number of 5-digit numbers, telephone numbers means 0 may become. Okay, now that is the condition is there. It is a telephone number, so it may be like this also, like this also. It is a number, But actually this is not a numeral in our mathematics. But the telephone number 01234 is the number. That is the thing. But you see, number of, I will tell all the things. Number of numbers, okay, now 5-digit numbers is equal to 10 digits are there, 10p5. Here repetition, okay, now repetition is not allowed. It's not allowed. It is not allowed. That is the important. Not allowed. Whereas number of numerals, it is allowed. Means repetition is there. Yes, repetition is there. At that time, you see, you try to understand. The first box can be filled in 10 ways. The second box again 10 ways, because used digit can be also again used. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is a number. Like that. 0 is 4 times we used. So the first box can be 10, again 10, again 10, 10, 10. So it is 10 power 5. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Because and meaning is there. Okay, na? So it is 10 power 5. But number of, here the question is, numerals, the numbers having at least one digit, okay, na? Maybe one digit may be repeated, okay, na? At that time, at least one time. This is, everything is there. 10 power 5 means repetition, at least one time repetition is there, 3 times repetition is there, 4 times is there, 5 times also there. The same 2 is there, 5 is there, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time, without any repetition also is there. But here is only without repetition. Total is 10 power 5 minus 10p5. Okay, na? That is the correct answer. Without repetition. With the repetition, everything is there. This is total. Total minus distinct numbers, not repeated. That gives this meaning. Please do. One letter may be repeated. 2 digits may be repeated. Like that. So this is the answer. Okay, na? Like that. Okay, na? Please. Thank you.